What up, y'all? Y'all already know what time it is. About to pick up some shirts. Will Smith, Fresh Prince joint. Will Smith and Jeffrey. Gotta cut these transfers out. Y'all can't see, but I got my heat press machine set to 320. We're gonna be pressing these shirts for 15 seconds. Time now. Perfect, just like that. I'll lay this over right here. Need our shirts. Get your shirt. Get your shirt. You're gonna let it put it under the heat press for a couple seconds. Get these wrinkles out. Bring the fabric to life. Be careful, guys. These things be very hot. Good 5 seconds. That's for another 5. Oh, I just realized I did longer than 5. See, you want your shirt to make sure it's nice and free of wrinkles. Bring that cotton to life. Just gonna wait for this to get to 320. Once this hit 320, we on the road. Always take your design, place it on the desired location. You might need to cut this just a little bit more. Yeah, look at this. Just a little bit. Some people, they take 3 fingers, they put it from the top of the from the top of the shirt, 3 fingers down, put the design. You know. Almost at 320. Also got these nice neck tags. Alright, we at 320. Gonna press down. Oh, almost forgot the most important thing. Always make sure you got this. Place that over your design. Let it press. Let me see what's going on. Time is up. Take it off. Adjust it a little so you can get the bottom piece. This might need to get pressed a couple more times because of the width of it. Always let it have a cool peel, let it cool off before you peel them. We're gonna have to do an extra press just cause it's not the same size. So we're gonna hit it one more time. Make sure we get that. Some people like to tape their design down before they press it. You can get this one or go to Walmart. It's blue. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Shirt done. Take up. Woo, that thing hot. You almost there. Might have to hit it again before we peel it. I mean, always do a cold peel.